Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure market analysis tools with TradeStation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching the TradeStation platform on your computer. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the main menu. Navigate to the Analysis tab found in the top toolbar. Click on Market Analysis. In the Market Analysis window, you'll see several options. Select Add Study to include new analysis tools. From the drop-down menu, choose the type of study you want to add, such as indicators or strategies. Browse through the available studies listed. When you find a study you want to use, click on it to add it to your workspace. To configure the parameters of the added study, right-click on the study in your workspace. Choose Edit Properties from the context menu. A new window will appear, allowing you to adjust settings such as period and inputs. Modify the parameters according to your trading strategy. Click OK to save your changes. You can add multiple studies by repeating the process. To rearrange the studies, simply click and drag them to your desired position. If you want to remove a study, right-click on it and select Remove. Next, consider creating alerts based on your studies. Right-click again on the study where you want the alert. Select Add Alert from the options. Fill in the criteria for the alert, such as the price level or conditions under which you want to be notified. Click OK to save the alert settings. Now your market analysis tools are tailored to your trading needs. Take a moment to review all configured studies and alerts. Ensure everything is set up correctly before you start trading. You can always return to the Edit Properties menu to further fine-tune your studies. To save your workspace, go to the File menu. Select Save Workspace and choose a name for your setup. This will allow you to quickly access your custom configuration in the future. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.